Honey child and ladies and gentlemen of the jury, this thing is heating up. And today I got some attorney mail hot off the presses straight from the desk of the attorney for Cora Jake's husband, Richard Brandon Coleman. So you better stick around if you want to see what's in these new court documents. Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore, and welcome back to my channel and to my series entitled Potter's House PedoFiles. Now, in previous episodes of this series, I have provided direct facts directly from the court file are pertinent to the criminal court indictment surrounding the arrest of Richard Brandon Coleman, the husband of Cora Jakes Coleman, aka the daughter of BishopTDJakes of the Potter's House Church. And so you'll want to make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you'll be notified when I follow up on this case. And if you want to get caught up on all of the details of this case, please watch my entire video series. And I'll place a direct link in the description section below. And I hope you'll also consider donating to this video by clicking the super thanks heart button below as well. And as you know, the indictment alleges that Cora Jake's husband touched their adopted daughter on one or more occasions in an inappropriate manner, let's just say. And he was arrested in the Ellis County Jail and has been there ever since. Now thereafter, on or about June 9th, 2022, the grand jury returned a 5-count indictment. And so if we look at our court case file, we can see that the original bill of indictment was filed with the court on June 9th and served on Cora Jake's husband in the jail in Ellis County. And on that same day, the court appointed an attorney and set his first appearance setting to take place on August 26, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. But upon being served with this paperwork on that exact same day, Cora Jake's husband drafted this document that he entitled Motion to Dismiss Counsel. And when I read the document, the language and the boldness of the handwriting just spoke straight to my spirit, y'all. So I expected the attorney to forthwith file a motion with the court requesting to withdraw from the case. And I personally would have done that sooner rather than later in the interest of justice so that a new attorney could be appointed to the case as soon as possible. Because a lot of time has gone by and I really don't see any of the things happening that should be happening in a case like this. I mean, one of the first things I would have done is move the court to lower this bail. I mean, honestly, there are times when I've seen bail in the amount of $50,000 on an attempted murder or negligent homicide case in Texas. And the bail in this case is still set at $150,000. And so I, in my opinion, think that's a little bit too high. But for whatever reason, the attorney stayed on the case when he knew Brandon Coleman strongly desired that he not be his attorney. And as I noted in one of my prior videos, on July 25th, 2022, the attorney acknowledged his receipt of the DA's very interesting list of exculpatory evidence, which I really feel he should have allowed a new attorney to do. Because, honey child, that list spoke straight to my spirit as well. But anyway, y'all, let me stay focused. Now, if you want to see what all the evidence they claim they have, you'll have to watch my prior video for that. And so, on August 16th, 2022, Brandon Coleman refiled with the court another copy of his motion to dismiss the attorney. And this time, I guess the attorney got the message, because on the day before the date set for the first announcement hearing, it seems the attorney met with the district attorney. And the attorney noted at that time his receipt of the plea bargain offer, and he indicates on that same paperwork that he will be filing a motion to withdraw as attorney for Cora Jake's husband. And in my opinion, again, a new attorney could have been on the case maybe by now and could have taken on the responsibility of some of these actions, because when the attorney is accepting notice of all of these various items, it signifies to the court on the record that Brandon Coleman himself has been made aware of all of this information. And as you can see, the case has been reset for a second announcement set to take place on October the 4th, 2022. And so this makes me feel that the attorney was probably very strongly trying to convince Brandon Coleman to enter into some type of plea agreement. And I'll tell you one thing, although I was not there, these documents speak loudly and clearly to me that Brandon Coleman said not no, but hell to the goddamn no. And so now finally, on September the 6th, 2022, the attorney has filed a proper motion to withdraw as attorney. He just gives standard reasons for wanting to withdraw, wherein he states communications between the attorney and defendant are such that the defendant requests that a different attorney be appointed to represent him in this matter, end quote. I.e., I was trying to convince him to enter into a plea, and he said, hell no. let me translate what that means for you. But anyway, the attorney asked the court, which I also find interesting, to grant the motion without the need of a hearing. But the judge said, not so fast, y'all. And he set the matter for a hearing, which is set to take place on September the 29th, 2022 at 1:30 p.m. And I tell you one thing, I would love to be a fly on the wall, honey child. Because I guarantee you that the judge is going to let Brandon Coleman know that he has the right to an attorney, but he doesn't have a right to necessarily have the attorney that he wants to damn have. And so maybe the judge might try one more time and appoint another attorney, but the judge is not going to play musical attorneys with this boy, okay? Now that's for sure. And so now another interesting thing I noted here is that the judge could have just taken this matter up during the October the 4th hearing. And so I find it very interesting that the judge set this matter to be heard prior to that October the 4th hearing. While I expect the judge to grant the motion, since both parties, Brandon Coleman and the attorney, have written motions on file, the judge could very well deny the motion in order that the attorney remain on the case. And I would be shocked if that happens. But as you know on here, I just ask and report, and I let you decide. There's so many strange, unusual things happening in this case, and you just don't know who's where, who knows who where, who, what, when, why, where. It's all very strange. They're very strange things to me that are occurring in the life of this case. And so what do you think about this tasty morsel of courthouse drama? Do you think the judge will grant the motion, as he should, and appoint a new attorney? Or do you think the judge will deny the motion and order the current attorney remain on the case? And if he does that, that's going to make me really think there's something going on inside here. There's an inside job. But anyway, y'all, please let me know by leaving your comments in the comment section below. And I hope you'll also give me a big thumbs up. And I hope you'll also consider donating to this video by clicking the super thanks heart button below, which would very much help this channel to proceed on, and which would also be very much appreciated by me. And while you're there, I want to also ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you'll be notified whenever I come back with more hot tea drama on this case. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram.